Fair value gaps are one of the most talked about concepts in modern trading, but most people draw them wrong. Today on PU Prime's Web Trader, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify them correctly, what makes a valid fair value gap, and why getting this right matters more than most people realize. Let's get into it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So I'm on PU Prime's Web Trader and I want to show you how to draw fair value gaps correctly, because there's a right way and a wrong way, and the difference between them is the difference between trading from a valid level and trading from noise. A fair value gap forms across 3 candles. The rule is simple. The wick of candle 1 and the wick of candle 3 must not overlap. The gap between them, the space that price moved through so aggressively that it left an imbalance, is the fair value gap. That zone is what you mark on your chart. The top of the fair value gap is the low of candle 1 wick. The bottom of the fair value gap is the high of candle 3's wick. Everything in between is the imbalance, the area price skipped through without properly trading. Now, what makes a fair value gap and worth trading from is the context around it. A strong aggressive move that leaves a clean gap with no overlap is a high quality fair value gap. A slow grinding move where, candles are barely separating isn't. The size of the gap matters too. A very small fair value gap on a very small move carries less weight than a large clean gap left by a high momentum candle. When you mark a fair value gap correctly, you're marking the exact zone where price is likely to return to before continuing in the direction of the original move. So combine that with a higher time frame narrative pointing the same direction, and you've one of the most reliable areas on the chart to be watching for an entry.
If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management, because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video.
So we take the low of candle 1 and we go to the high of candle 3. And that is your fair value gap area. And as you can see, that this is an inverse fair value gap, because in a bullish one, you take the high of candle 1 and the low of candle 3. So that's another fair value gap. And as you can see, price came up, price came down, created an inversion. This is a great area to sell from. So price comes in and we push down towards the lows. Very nice, right? Find another example. So today, okay? So let's look at this bullish one. So what we do is we take the high of candle 1 and we take the low of candle 3, and right there you have your fair value gap where price comes in, we tap, we push higher. It's a very simple process. It's very nice areas to trade from. It's what I like to trade. Given more context in terms of higher time frame narrative, this can be a very powerful area for you to trade from. So just take the high of candle 1, the low of candle 3 for a bullish setup, and we take the low of candle 1 and the high of candle 3 for a bearish setup. You can see the gap. There's no wicks in this area until price returns. Really nice areas to trade from. So let me talk about the PU Prime community here, because for a concept like drawing fair value gaps correctly, where the difference between a valid gap and noise can be subtle, having access to a community of traders who are actively marking these up on live charts every day is genuinely one of the best learning tools available. The PU Prime community is accessible directly through the platform, and it's where traders of all levels share live analysis. They walk through setups, they discuss what the market's doing in real time. For fair value gaps specifically, seeing other traders mark them up, pointing out the 3-candle structure, highlighting the gap between the wicks, and then watching how price reacts to those zones over the following hours and days, it builds your pattern recognition far faster than studying alone. You start to develop an eye for what a high quality fair value gap looks like versus what is too small or too unclear to trade from. The community is also where you'll find traders discussing fair value gap concepts at a deeper level. General confluence with other levels, how they behave differently across different market conditions. That current ongoing real world discussion is the layer above educational videos that most traders never get access to. So on PU Prime, it's built into the platform. It's free and it's active every day the market is open. So get on PU Prime on the link in the description, open the community section and start engaging with what's being shared in there. The quality of your chart reading will improve faster than you expect. 3 candles, no overlap on the wicks, clean gap in between it is the fair value gap. Draw it right and it becomes one of the most reliable levels on your chart. Get on PU Prime using the link in the description and start marking these tonight. And join the PU Prime community while you're there. Traders are marking these up on live charts every day. And it's all in the description below. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.